Hello students, today we discuss two important questions. One is glucose to wasogone. Second question is fructose to wasogone. Already we know that glucose, what is the structure of glucose means like this, on top and bottom CH2OH, right? We write CH2OH on bottom and we can write C double bond OH on top. Next HOH. We can write OH left side from top to third carbon. Third carbon. This is the third carbon. H, HOH, HOH. Here 4 HOH are present in glucose, but one HOH, one OH is left side, that is third carbon OH. This is the structure of glucose. Students, this is the structure of glucose. Now we prepare wasogone from glucose. For the formation of wasogone from glucose. Procedure for to prepare wasogone from glucose. This is the procedure, students. The glucose to wasogone. The conversion of D-glucose to wasogone is as follows. First, glucose reacts with 1 mole of phenyl to form glucose phenylhydrazine. Students, first glucose reacts with 1 mole of phenylhydrazine to form glucose phenylhydrazone. Then glucose phenylhydrazone undergoes oxidation with second mole of phenylhydrazine, gives a carbonyl group on second carbon atom. What is this? Second, the glucose, then glucose phenylhydrazine undergoes oxidation with second mole of phenylhydrazine, gives a carbonyl group on second carbon atom. This carbonyl group further reacts with third mole of phenylhydrazine to give wasogone. Students, pH, NH, NH2. This is the phenylhydrazine, pH, NH, NH2. This is the name of this is phenylhydrazine. The main characteristics of phenylhydrazine is, it is the main role of phenylhydrazine is remove oxygen from carbonyl group. Remove oxygen from carbonyl group, or remove 2 hydrogens from the substituent. This is the main role of phenylhydrazine. What is the role of phenylhydrazine? Remove oxygen from carbonyl group. It is main role of phenylhydrazine is to react carbonyl group, C double bond O group. This is the main role. So we see the chemical equations. Glucose to wasogone. D plus glucose. Already we have glucose structure. This is the glucose structure. This is the glucose structure. This glucose structure containing C double bond O group. So initially glucose reacts with phenylhydrazine to form D-glucose phenylhydrazone. Here what happening here? pH, NH, NH2 removes one oxygen from C double bond O group. pH, NH, NH2 removes oxygen from C double bond O group. So here in this pH NH2, 2 hydrogens, 1 oxygen. For the formation of H2O, this is the loss. Here, what happening? Loss of H2O. Loss of H2O. Oxygen from C double bond O group, hydrogens from phenylhydrazine. So, here, in the place of oxygen, the pH NHN we can write. We write pH NHN in the place of oxygen. So this is the glucose, D-glucose phenylhydrazone. This is the D-glucose phenylhydrazone. Here D-glucose phenylhydrazone undergoes oxidation with phenylhydrazine to form a carbonyl group on second carbon. This is the second carbon. For the formation of C double bond O group, due to D-glucose phenylhydrazine reacts with phenylhydrazine. Here, D-glucose phenylhydrazine undergoes oxidation with phenylhydrazine. Here, main role of phenylhydrazine is remove two hydrogens. Remove two hydrogens from this place, from here. So, to form C double bond O group on second carbon. So, the main role of phenylhydrazine what? To react with C double bond O group. So, already we have C double bond O group. So, here we have C double bond O group. So, third mole of phenylhydrazine to react with this C double bond O group. So, to form osazone. So, students, initially D-glucose reacts with 1 mole of phenylhydrazine, to form glucose phenylhydrazine. Further, glucose phenylhydrazine undergoes oxidation with second mole of phenylhydrazine. Then to form carbonyl group on second carbon. This is the second carbon. So here we have C double bond O group. So then it is further reacts with third mole of phenylhydrazine to form osazone. For the formation of osazone, we required 3 moles of phenylhydrazine. This is the Viva question. For the formation of osazone, we need 3 moles of phenylhydrazines. 3 moles of phenylhydrazines, hydrogen molecules are involved in the formation of osazone. This is the glucose to osazone. Here only 4 steps are very important. These are the 4 steps. Students, matter is no need write in the examination. The procedure is no need to write in the examinations, but equations are very, very important in the examinations. Now, second question. We discuss second question, that is the fructose to osazone. We prepare osazone from fructose. In previous question, we prepare osazone from glucose. So, students, procedure. What is the procedure? The conversion of D-fructose to osazone is as follows. Initially, fructose reacts with 1 mole of phenylhydrazine to form fructose phenylhydrazine. Then, fructose phenylhydrazone undergoes oxidation with second mole of phenylhydrazine, gives a carbonyl group on first carbon. Students, here first carbon atom. This C double bond O group further reacts with third mole of phenylhydrazine to give osazone. Students, what is the procedure? Initially, fructose reacts with 1 mole of phenyl to form fructose phenyl. Then fructose phenyl undergoes oxidation with second mole of phenyl gives a carbonyl group on first carbon atom. This C double bond O group further reacts with third mole of phenyl to give osazone. Now the chemical equations are illustrated as follows. This is the chemical equations. Fructose to osazone. Fructose to osazone. We have fructose. So now I explain clearly. On second carbon, C double bond O group is present in fructose structure. On top, CH2OH. On bottom, CH2OH. In middle, 3 lines. First line OH left side, H, OH, H, OH. This is the structure of fructose. This is the structure of fructose. Dear students, in glucose and fructose, this is same. In glucose and fructose, these carbons are same configurations. These carbons have same configurations. In glucose and fructose, this part is same. In glucose and fructose, this is the same. This part is same. But in glucose, here HOH is present. Here C double bond OH present, but fructose second carbon C double bond O group is present. This is the fructose structure. So we can see now this is the fructose. Fructose reacts with phenylaldehyde. The main role of phenylaldehyde was what? Which main role of phenylaldehyde is it reacts with C double bond O group. Phenylaldehyde reacts with C double bond O group. So in this C double bond O group, oxygen and hydrogen will combine to form H2O. These H2O further will eliminate. So PHNH2 is removed oxygen from this place. So we get fructose phenylaldehyde. Then fructose phenylaldehyde reacts with second mole of phenylaldehyde. This phenylaldehyde, the role of phenylaldehyde, the role of second phenylaldehyde is remove of 2 hydrogens from first carbon, from this place. The role of second mole of phenylaldehyde is remove 2 hydrogens from this CH2OH group. So this CH2OH group will convert into C double bond OH by using phenylaldehyde. So this C double bond O group further reacts with third mole of phenylaldehyde to form osazone. So it is coming from fructose. So that's why it is also known as fructosazone. In previous, osazone is formed from glucose. This is osazone. We prepare osazone, this osazone from glucose. So it is also known as glucosazone. It is also known as glucosazone. Students, osazone from glucose is glucosazone. Osazone from fructose is fructosazone. So today we discuss 2 important questions. One is glucose to osazone. Second question is fructose to osazone. So this is today class.